Hey everyone, welcome back to How To with Sonny. I'm Sonny. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to clear out your browser cache, your cookies, and any sites or saved form data sitting in your browser. It's quick, it's easy, and by the end, you'll know precisely what to wipe and what's worth keeping. So let's get into it. Alright, here I am on my desktop, and we're doing all of this inside Google Chrome today. So let me go ahead and open Chrome up. There it is. And honestly, this is one of the simplest things you can do. Look up in the top right corner of the window. You'll see your little profile picture, and right next to it there are 3 dots stacked vertically. That's the menu button. Go ahead and click on that. A menu drops down, and from here you want to hover over More Tools. Inside that, you'll spot the option that says Clear Browsing Data. That's the one we want. Now, if you'd rather skip all that clicking around, there's a faster way. Just press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete together, and it jumps you straight there. So I'll use that shortcut right now. And there we go. This opens up Chrome's Clear Browsing Data window. Let me break down what you're looking at, because there are a few choices to make. Right at the top, you've got the time range. Say you just visited a site in the last little while that you'd rather not have hanging around on your machine. You can set this to the last hour, the last 24 hours, the last 7 days, the last 4 weeks. Or you can just clear everything from the very beginning. Totally your call. Below that, you've got what actually gets deleted. First is your browsing history. That's the full list of websites you've been to. Next is cookies and other site data. And third is cached images and files. Now here's the part most people skip past, so stick with me. Cookies and cache aren't just junk. They're actually doing useful work. Cookies are what keep you logged into sites automatically, so if you wipe them, expect to be signed out and have to log back in to a bunch of your favorite sites. And cached images and files are basically saved pieces of websites you visit often, so pages load faster. Clear those, and some sites will feel a little slower the next time you open them, at least for a bit. So my honest advice? If there's just one specific site you don't want recorded, don't nuke everything. Set the time range to the last hour or the last day, and only clear that recent slice. That way your logins and your fast-loading sites stay intact. But if you really do want a full clean sweep, the option is right there. It's completely up to you and how much you want gone. Once you've ticked the boxes for what you want to remove and picked your time range, just hit Clear Data down at the bottom. Chrome does its thing, and that history is wiped from your machine. And that's all there is to it. Seriously, that's simple. So if this video helped you out, do me a quick favor and smash that like button. It really helps the channel. If you want more straightforward how-to guides like this one, hit subscribe so you get notified the moment a new one drops. And if there's a topic or a tutorial you'd love to see me cover next, leave it in the comments and I'll add it to my list. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Sonny, and I'll catch you in the next one.